morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I have a different type of video for you. It's a review. A company named Grabie, Grabie.com, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review some of their stickers. So they let me pick out what I wanted and they sent them to me and gave me a code. Peri15. I will put all this information below in the description. But I wanted to, besides reviewing them, make a little project with them too. So I already had opened up one pack and used some of it. So we're going to set this one aside because I'm going to be doing a plan with me with these stickers. But I'm going to find another one that I like in here. The stickers that I picked, again, I'll have the whole name down in the description. It came with several different sets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets. I mean, it all comes together. So I guess you don't really have to pick which one you want because you get all of them with one choice. So what I want to do is decide which ones I want to use today. And I'm thinking, because I do love green, I think I'm going to pick the green one. And let's open this up, and I'll show you what it comes with. It has this backer card. And this one now says Saturday on it, but it also says holiday on here, sentiment. So I don't really know what this one is called. Just said it's the green pack. And all of these are translucent. I should have brought something to stick them on, something solid. What do I have? What do I have? Anything solid? Here, grab a piece of black here. That might help a little better. They're translucent, and I wasn't even sure if they were stickers, but they are. This does peel off here. It's kind of hard to get it off, but it does peel off. And they're all different flower shaped, kind of like tags, I guess, because you know this is kind of a tag shape. So there's that one in here. Let's take them all out. I thought I did, but take them all out of the sleeve. There's all these different ones in here. They're kind of a little bit, I don't know if this dust comes off when you use it, hopefully. This is just to keep them from not sticking together, maybe. But there's all different ones in here. And I'm dropping some. Here's another one. What did I drop? Dropped 2 actually. There's this one. They're all different flowers. This one's kind of the same as this one. It looks like a peony to me. Is it? Oh, it is the same. Sorry. So that one's the same. This one's a different one. That's pretty. Here's a white rose. That one says love. This one says grace. What else do we have here? Another love. And here's another, oh, it's another green one, but this one goes this way. Then we have this one, which is the same as that one up there. This is like playing a game of matching. So 3 so far of that one. Here's one that says Saturday on it. Yep, here's 3 of this one. Is this a new one? I think so. Here's 2 on that one. This is a new one too. This one's another one. There's quite a few choices in here. So matches that one. Let's see if we can try and get these all sorted out here. So that's showing you how many. I mean, like I said, there are tons and tons in each package. And they all have different, you know, this is more greens in it. This one might have more like browns in it. I could show you. You want me to show you? But then we won't have time for my project. Okay, let's see. I probably should show you. And I could put the project in a different video, I guess. Or maybe attached. Well, maybe we can speed this up if I can get stuff open. I want to do, and I hope you can see this here. I have taken a piece of laminate. It's not laminated yet. And I'm hoping I don't get any hair in here. But I have cut it on my Cricut prior to laminating. So I'm going to take these. I was actually going to take them off here and stick them on here. But I'm not sure where I want to place them. Did one of these say love on it? Yeah, this one did. Kind of wanted the love one in the middle. But I have to decide where I want them first. So actually I could, instead of getting this inside dirty, figure out where I want to stick them here. How I want to place them. And make sure that the words are going the right way. This is the one that says love. I didn't really want them overlapping, but yet it might be kind of fun to, that one goes that way. Kind of fun to overlap them. Put the stamp one in the middle. Have to figure out which one to stick first. How I want them. I gotta remember to keep it over because I do need to punch holes in it. I want to make this dashboard for my rings, and I guess I could just stick some down here. I don't really know if an easy way besides using your nails and I don't know, maybe slicing it would work. If you took like a this one's gonna come off. Well, good. Just thinking if you took a, you know, like a utility knife, X-Acto knife. Okay, so I don't want to go too far over by where the holes are going to be, and I kind of want to make them not straight too. And we have a hair already here. Okay, so that one's like that. Let's just run it through and see what happens. If it's not hot enough, then we'll just have to do it again. So we're going to stick this through here and see what happens. Then I have my little handy dandy Agenda 52 hole punch that I got at Hobby Lobby, and we will punch it. I think it's hot enough. I think it's laminating okay. Kind of want to put it through one more time. Let's do that. Let's put it through one more time. Just to make sure, say I have these in here right now. I'm just gonna take those out and use the ones I made. And I forgot that I wanted to put a label up here what this is for too, so I'll have to use my label maker. I think that turned out pretty good. Wasn't sure about this one then, because it went over. But it's kind of neat because I don't know if you guys can see it or not if I hold it up enough, but you can see the shape around them too. It just makes it look kind of like acrylic or gel or something. Not sure why this got real weird on top here. Let me just punch these corner around it real quick. Take this and I have it set at A5. Make sure it goes all the way in there. Push down. And then snip. Oh my goodness, so sorry. Edit that out. Then I'm snipping these too. Might actually run it through one more time to make sure it's all the way in there. Okay, so I took this one out and put this one on here. And now I have a new, looks funny with this in front of it. It would be better if it was something a little different behind it, or even a white piece of paper. What is this? Let's put, we'll turn this over so you can see it a little better. There. Really pretty. I almost made this a little bit too wide, I think. I could have stuck these over too. Well, live and learn, right? You could move these over a little more to the left, I think. But I have plenty of more stickers to play with, so I can make lots more of these dividers. And then it will stick out on the top, and I can put my labels up there and have my little, I call it a Periwinkle Planner. But anyway, these are from Grabie. www.grabie.cc. So I will leave this in the down in the I will leave this down in the description. You just hit that little caret with like the arrow down on the right underneath the video, and it will have their information. And then I have a 15% off code that's Peri15, but they gave me a 12%, so I don't know if you can use them both together or not. But they are also on Instagram and Facebook and Pinterest, it looks like. Oh, even on YouTube. Interesting. And TikTok. So I've never heard of them before. They contacted me, and I'm glad they did, because these are really, really pretty and really fun to be creative with. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.